In this video, I will show you guys how and where I salvage my batteries from my Bluetooth speaker projects. I've tried many brands and I found out that HP laptop batteries contain some of the best 18650 cells. Just a warning to everyone who wants to do this, tearing the case apart can be dangerous because you might puncture a cell, which could lead to a fire. So do this at your own risk. Usually 4 out of 6 batteries are usable, but if you're lucky, all 6 might still be good. For this batch, I found 2 sets with voltages above 2 volts. These are the only cells my charger will accept and charge. Any cell below 2 volts, my charger won't recognize it or even attempt to charge it. I need to test each of these cells individually, which means I have to disassemble them. When doing so, I always start by disconnecting the negative terminals of the batteries. To make it easier to solder the wires later, I leave a small piece of nickel metal strip attached to the battery. After 5 hours, the batteries are fully charged and each cell still retains around 1800 milliamp hours. I usually don't use them immediately. Instead, I let the batteries sit for a day or two to check if their voltage drops rapidly. If the voltage remains stable, then you have good cells. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please like this video if it was helpful to you and also subscribe if you haven't already. Until next time, peace.